Okay, so we're here at Fossavicka today, and as you can see, it's milking time. We are doing a little study to see how effective pre-milking routines are on preparing the cows' udders and then how quickly they milk out. So far this row has been wiped and then stripped, and now the cups are going on, and we've got a fancy bit of gadgetry which is going to measure milk flow rates, which I will show you next. Just to show you what's happening here, this cow is being milked in the normal way, but we have inserted a milk flow meter into the line, which you can see there on the display is showing, well, currently she's milking at 3.9 litres per minute, or second, is it? It's per minute. And so we are taking measurements, which will mean we can draw a milk flow graph, and hopefully you'll hear more about that with time.